Have you ever wondered how these complex e-commerce and other dynamic websites and applications work so smoothly and easily? On what and which platforms or components these web servers and programming language operate, which make them so user-friendly and easily accessible to the users? This is possible thanks to software stack like MERN Stack. Yes, आज हम MERN Stack और इससे रिलेटेड डिफरेंट एरियाज के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे और इसे अच्छे से जानने की कोशिश करेंगे। तो सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन जो हम सबके दिमाग में आता है वो ये है, What is MERN Stack? What does it mean? MERN Stack is a free and open source JavaScript software stack used to develop and build dynamic websites and applications. With the help of this platform, websites, programming languages, etc. work on fast pace without any trouble. This JavaScript-based technology is the mixture of 4 different technologies with their distinct functions to develop and run smooth operations. तो आइए देखते हैं what does the MERN stand for. MERN is a combination of 4 different technologies. M. MongoDB, which is a NoSQL database management system. E. Express.js. It is a back-end web application framework for NodeJS. R. React.js. A JavaScript library for developing UIs based on UI components. N. NodeJS. The final component of the MERN stack is NodeJS. It is a JS runtime environment, that is, it enables running JavaScript code outside the browser. तो ये तो हुई बात MERN stack के functions और इनसे related technologies की। आइए इस segment में discuss करते हैं कि MERN के different advantages क्या हैं। Cost effective. The most important thing about this technology is that it's very economical to users. This is a platform which makes websites and web pages more easily accessible and visible on different search engines. Better performance. It also helps in faster response between backend and front-end database, resulting in faster website speed and higher efficiency. Improves security. Websites and applications developed through this technology take less amount of time to develop and to reach the user's end. Provides faster modifications. MERN Stack Technologies is flexible enough to do required changes at a fast pace in both mobile and web applications. Open source. All the 4 technologies that are involved in MERN are open source. Another very important aspect of MERN is that it's written in only one language. That makes it simpler and easy to use and modify. और अब end में हम बात करते हैं सबसे important topic पे, and that is, what is the future of MERN Stack? What are the skills required to be a MERN Stack developer? As more and more applications are now built and developed in JavaScript, it is no wonder that the demand and use of MERN Stack is going to rise even further. इसकी importance और demand इसलिए भी ज़्यादा है या इन फ्यूचर और इंक्रीज होने की प्रिडिक्शन है क्योंकि MERN स्टैक अपने साथ बहुत सारे एडवांटेजेस ऑफर करता है जिसे हम पहले भी डिस्कस कर चुके हैं, लाइक रीजनेबल इन टर्म्स ऑफ कॉस्ट, बेटर परफॉर्मेंस, इट सर्व्स बोथ बैक एंड एंड फ्रंट एंड साइड. बीइंग जावास्क्रिप्ट बेस्ड, दिस टेक्नोलॉजी हेल्प्स डेवलपर्स मास्टर अ सिंगल कोडिंग लैंग्वेज in place of multiple coding languages. Here are the skills and responsibilities that are generally associated with the role of a MERN Stack developer. Have proven expertise in JavaScript, React, NodeJS, MongoDB and Express. Well versed in both front and back-end development. Sound understanding of MVC and design patterns. Adept at creating RESTful services with Node.js. Skills to bind UI elements to JavaScript. Excellent team player. Create and ensure quality of code through different unit and integration tests. An expert at building cross-platform and cross-device compatible codes. Has a good knowledge of node debugging. Here we come at the end of this video. Hope it helps you all in getting a better insight into the world of MERN Stack. We'll see you in the next video with a lot more interesting stuff. And don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Ducat India.